Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll be exploring the series of devastating wildfires currently ravaging Turkey, particularly in the western regions of the country. We'll provide you with an overview of the current situation, from the tireless efforts to contain the fires, to the impacts they've had on human life and invaluable cultural heritage. This is an alarming natural disaster with consequences, not only for Turkey, but for the world as a whole. Join us to gain a deeper understanding of this crisis. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on the latest updates on natural disasters worldwide. Our first stop is Izmir, a city currently facing one of the most severe wildfires in its history. The fire has spread to residential areas, blanketing neighborhoods in thick smoke. Residents are living in fear as the blaze inches closer, fueled by strong winds reaching up to 80 km/h, 50 mm. Izmir, located on the Aegean coast, is Turkey's third largest city. Renowned for its rich historical and cultural landmarks, it's heartbreaking to imagine this city now shrouded in smoke. Efforts to control the fire include aerial support with firefighting planes and helicopters, along with ground crews working tirelessly. It's truly heartbreaking to witness such a vibrant city being engulfed by flames. The relentless winds are making the situation even more challenging for the firefighters, who are doing everything they can to protect lives and property. Evacuations have been ordered in several urban areas of Izmir. Unfortunately, there have been reports of homes being damaged. Families are fleeing, leaving everything behind as they seek safety from the rapidly spreading fire. It's truly heartbreaking to see families leaving their homes with only the essentials, not knowing what will be left when they return. However, it's in times like these that the importance of community support and solidarity becomes clear. The ongoing evacuation efforts are a testament to the coordinated response between local authorities and emergency services. But it's a race against time, as high temperatures, dry conditions, and strong winds create a perfect storm for these fires to spread. In recent days, Turkey has deployed significant resources to battle the flames, including dozens of aircraft, hundreds of vehicles, and over 2,500 firefighters involved in the containment efforts. Despite these efforts, the fires continue to rage, especially in areas like Canakkale, Bolu, and the provinces of Manisa. Seeing the scale of these operations is both impressive and heartbreaking. The bravery and determination of these firefighters cannot be understated. They are on the front lines, risking their lives to protect others. We must not forget to appreciate their efforts and sacrifices. In Canakkale, a province renowned for its historical significance, the fire has threatened some of Turkey's most valuable heritage sites, including the Gallipoli Peninsula, a crucial battlefield from World War I. The flames have even reached the Canterbury Cemetery, where the graves of New Zealand soldiers have been damaged. The loss here is not just material, it's a loss of history. The Gallipoli Peninsula holds a special place in the hearts of many, particularly those from Australia and New Zealand, whose ancestors fought here. The sight of charred gravestones and devastated landscapes serves as a haunting reminder of how these fires threaten not only people but also our shared heritage. So far, Turkey's firefighting teams have managed to contain some of the fires, but many other areas remain ablaze with no clear end in sight. Forestry Minister Ibrahim Yumakli has warned that the combination of low humidity, strong winds, and high temperatures expected over the weekend could lead to even more fires. This is a bleak forecast, but also a call to action. With proper precautions, we might be able to prevent further devastation. Each of us has a role to play, whether it's staying vigilant, supporting affected communities, or simply raising awareness about what's happening. The Forestry Directorate has issued warnings against outdoor burning for at least the next 10 days. This precaution is crucial as the risk of new fires in Western Turkey has increased to 70%. Every small action counts in preventing new outbreaks. Earlier this year, Turkey was struck by another deadly wildfire in the southeast, resulting in 11 fatalities. This recurring wildfire pattern highlights a larger issue. The frequency and severity of these events are increasing, influenced by climate change and agricultural practices such as stubble burning. We are witnessing the effects of climate change in real time. These wildfires are not isolated incidents. They are part of a larger, more concerning trend. While it's easy to feel powerless, it's important to remember that change starts with awareness and collective action. Experts have noted that Turkey's vulnerability to wildfires is increasing, especially in areas prone to extreme weather. The need for long-term strategies to address both prevention and response is becoming more urgent than ever. As Turkey faces an uncertain weekend, the entire nation is looking towards the brave firefighters and the resilience of its people. While the fires continue to burn, the spirit of unity among the people remains strong in the face of adversity. In times of crisis, the human spirit truly shines. The support, courage, and determination of those affected and those on the front lines provide a glimmer of hope. Let's stand with Turkey and do what we can to support them during this difficult time. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on important global events. And remember, even in the darkest times, we can find light in the strength and unity of humanity.